When you first start gardening, you're stoked to get anything to harvest. I remember that feeling. Harvesting a little sprig of basil felt like a huge success. But as the years go on, you start to realize some of the realities of gardening. Take a look at this annual vegetable patch behind me. I'm going to have to replace all of this next season, clear it all out, till it up, amend the soil. It's a lot of work. That's why today we're talking about perennials. Imagine a garden that keeps on giving, year after year, with minimal effort. Plant them once, and they'll reward you with harvests for years to come. Let's kick it. Our first perennial superstar is none other than asparagus. This is a plant that can easily grow for 15 to 20, maybe even 30 years. Talk about a long-term investment in your garden. To get started, choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. Asparagus prefers a slightly alkaline pH, so you might need to amend your soil accordingly. When planting asparagus crowns, dig a trench about a foot deep and space them about 18 inches apart. Once your asparagus patch is established, you'll be rewarded with those tender, delicious spears every spring. And the best part is, the harvest will get more abundant each year. Asparagus is also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It's delicious in pastas, risottos, or simply enjoyed on its own with a squeeze of lemon juice. So if you're looking for a low-maintenance, high-reward perennial vegetable, look no further than asparagus. Up next, we have rhubarb, also known as the pie plant. This perennial vegetable is a favorite among gardeners and chefs alike. And for good reason. It makes some of the most delicious pies, crumbles, and jams you'll ever taste. Its tart flavor is a perfect complement to sweet desserts. Rhubarb prefers cooler climates and does best in full sun to partial shade. It's a hardy plant that can withstand cold winters, making it ideal for northern gardens. When planting rhubarb, make sure to give it plenty of space, as it can grow quite large. Each plant can spread out several feet, so plan accordingly. One important thing to remember about rhubarb is that only the stalks are edible. The vibrant red or green stalks are the part you want to harvest. The leaves actually contain oxalic acid, which can be toxic if ingested. Always discard the leaves and focus on the stalks for your culinary creations. To harvest your rhubarb, simply pull the stalk to the side and trim it off at the base. This method encourages new growth and keeps the plant healthy. You can start harvesting lightly in the second year, but for a more bountiful harvest, wait until the third year. Patience pays off with this plant. Rhubarb is a fantastic addition to any garden, providing you with a unique flavor that pairs perfectly with both sweet and savory dishes. From pies to sauces, its versatility is unmatched. Plus, it's incredibly low maintenance and will reward you with harvests for years to come. Once established, it requires minimal care. So if you're looking for a perennial vegetable that's both delicious and easy to grow, give rhubarb a try. It's a great choice for both novice and experienced gardeners.
I absolutely love rhubarb. Its unique taste and vibrant color make it a standout in any dish. It's one of those plants that just keeps on giving. Year after year, it continues to produce without much effort. Once you get it established, you really don't have to do much. Just a little care goes a long way. Whether you're making a classic rhubarb pie or adding it to savory dishes, it's always a hit. Its versatility in the kitchen is truly remarkable. People are always curious about it. Its unique appearance and flavor make it a conversation starter in any garden.
Fruit trees. While technically not a vegetable, fruit trees deserve a spot on our list of must-have perennials. After all, who doesn't love fresh homegrown fruit? When choosing fruit trees for your garden, it's important to consider your local climate and soil conditions. Some fruit trees, like apples and pears, prefer cooler climates, while others, like peaches and figs, thrive in warmer regions. Once you've selected your fruit trees, it's important to plant them in a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Water them regularly, especially during the first few years, and fertilize them annually to ensure they have the nutrients they need to thrive. With a little bit of love and attention, your fruit trees will reward you with an abundance of juicy, delicious fruit for years to come.
Fruit trees have been a game changer for my garden. They really don't take up much space and the fruit is just amazing. There's something so special about picking fruit right off the tree and enjoying it fresh.
A perennial vegetable that you might not be as familiar with. Tree collards. Also known as tree kale or walking stick kale, this unique and delicious green is a true garden workhorse, capable of producing an abundance of sweet, nutty leaves for up to 10 years.
Native to the Mediterranean, tree collards thrive in mild climates with cool, wet winters and warm, dry summers. They prefer a sunny spot in the garden with well-drained soil and can grow up to 6 feet tall, adding a touch of vertical interest to your garden landscape.
One of the great things about tree collards is that they are incredibly easy to propagate. Simply take a cutting from a mature plant, remove the lower leaves, and stick it in a pot of moist soil or directly into the ground. Keep the soil consistently moist, and within a few weeks your cutting will develop roots and begin to grow. Their sweet, nutty flavor is delicious in salads, stir-fries, or simply sautéed with garlic and olive oil. Let's move on to a perennial vegetable that's both beautiful and delicious, the artichoke. This architectural wonder adds a touch of elegance to any garden with its large, silvery green leaves and impressive thistle-like flower buds. But artichokes aren't just about looks. They're also a culinary delight, offering a unique, slightly nutty flavor that's both sophisticated and satisfying.
Now, while artichokes are technically perennials, they're often grown as annuals in colder climates. However, in warmer regions, they can thrive for several years, producing multiple harvests of these delectable buds. To give your artichokes the best chance of success, plant them in a sunny spot with well-drained soil. They prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH, so you may need to amend your soil accordingly. Artichokes are incredibly versatile in the kitchen and can be steamed, boiled, grilled, or roasted. So if you're looking for a perennial vegetable that's both beautiful and delicious, look no further than the artichoke.
A perennial vegetable that's as beautiful as it is bountiful. The scarlet runner bean. This plant is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a treasure trove of nutrition and versatility. This climbing vine is a true showstopper in the garden, with its vibrant red flowers and long dangling pods that can grow up to a foot long. The flowers attract pollinators like bees and hummingbirds, adding even more life to your garden. But don't let its beauty fool you. The scarlet runner bean is also a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. These beans can be a great addition to a variety of dishes from salads to stews.
Native to Central America, the scarlet runner bean is a true survivor, capable of thriving in a wide range of climates, including high altitudes and cold regions. Its resilience makes it a favorite among gardeners worldwide. To get started, plant your scarlet runner beans in a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Make sure to water them regularly, especially during dry spells, to ensure healthy growth. Provide them with a sturdy support structure, such as a trellis, fence, or arbor, as they can grow up to 10 feet tall. This not only helps the plant, but also makes harvesting easier. One of the most fascinating things about scarlet runner beans is that they produce edible tubers underground. These tubers can be harvested and enjoyed just like the beans, adding another layer of utility to this amazing plant. The scarlet runner bean is a true gift that keeps on giving, providing you with beautiful flowers, delicious beans, and nutritious tubers year after year. It's a plant that truly embodies the concept of beauty and bounty combined.
Last but not least, let's talk about a perennial vegetable that's often overlooked but deserves a spot in every garden. The Jerusalem artichoke, also known as the sunchoke. This versatile plant is not only easy to grow, but also offers a multitude of benefits for both your garden and your kitchen. Despite its name, the Jerusalem artichoke isn't actually an artichoke at all. It's a member of the sunflower family, and it produces stunning yellow flowers that will brighten up your garden in late summer and early fall. These flowers are not only beautiful, but also attract pollinators, making your garden a haven for bees and butterflies.
But the real magic of the Jerusalem artichoke lies beneath the surface. Hidden underground are its tubers, which are the true treasure of this plant. This remarkable plant produces edible tubers that are both delicious and nutritious, packed with prebiotic fiber, iron, and potassium. These tubers can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to roasted vegetables. To grow Jerusalem artichokes, choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. They thrive in full sun and will reward you with a bountiful harvest. They're incredibly adaptable and can tolerate a wide range of soil conditions, but they prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Regular watering will help them establish strong roots. One important thing to note about Jerusalem artichokes is that they can be quite prolific. They grow vigorously and can quickly spread if not managed properly. They spread through their tubers, so it's a good idea to plant them in a contained area, such as a raised bed or a large container, to prevent them from taking over your garden. This will help you maintain control over their growth. So if you're looking for a low-maintenance, high-reward perennial vegetable that's both delicious and nutritious, give the Jerusalem artichoke a try. You'll be delighted by its beauty and bounty.
Well, there you have it, folks. 7 incredible perennial crops that will transform your garden into a low-maintenance haven of abundance. From the classic asparagus to the unique and versatile tree collard, there's a perennial vegetable out there for every gardener and every palate. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your perennial garden today and experience the joy of harvesting fresh homegrown food year after year. Good luck in the garden and keep on growing.
Stay safe, stay prepared.